Imagine a civilization so advanced in agriculture and architecture that it rivals human ingenuity, yet its architects are merely a fraction of an inch in size. In the lush rainforests of South America, the Atta laevigata, commonly known as the leafcutter ant, commands a realm where intricate societies thrive beneath our feet. These tiny creatures are not just survivors. They are conquerors, engineers, and farmers of the forest, shaping their world in ways that baffle the human mind. Deep beneath the forest floor, the Atta laevigata constructs one of the most complex living structures in the animal kingdom. These subterranean metropolises, extending up to 30 feet deep, comprise numerous chambers connected by miles of tunnels. Each chamber has a specific purpose: nurseries for their young, gardens for their crops, and waste disposal sites, all meticulously organized. The design of these nests aids in ventilation and temperature control, crucial in their humid, tropical environment. The ants constantly modify and expand their homes, showing an understanding of their habitat that rivals human engineering. The excavation of these nests, which can involve the shifting of several tons of soil, enriches the forest floor, promoting plant growth and a dynamic ecosystem. Atta laevigata colonies are structured in a complex caste system, where each ant's role is determined by its size and physiology. From the minuscule workers who cut leaves, to the soldiers guarding the nest, and the queen, the sole egg layer, each ant is vital to the colony's survival. The queen can live for up to 15 years, reigning over thousands, even millions of subjects. Communication within the colony is sophisticated, largely relying on pheromones, which are chemical signals that guide ants to food sources or alert them to danger. Decision-making is a collective process that ensures the survival and efficiency of the colony, demonstrating a level of social organization that is extraordinary among insects. Unlike most insects, Atta laevigata are cultivators, not just gatherers. They meticulously harvest leaves, which they do not consume directly. Instead, they use these cuttings to cultivate fungal gardens, their primary food source. These fungi are so specialized that they cannot survive without the ants, just as the ants would starve without their fungal crops. This agricultural practice impacts the surrounding vegetation significantly, influencing forest composition and diversity. The ants' selective harvesting encourages the growth of certain plant species over others, showcasing their role as both cultivators and conservationists within their ecosystem. The world of Atta laevigata is not isolated. It interacts dynamically with a myriad of other species. Predators such as anteaters and birds pose constant threats, while various parasites seek to exploit the ants' fungal crops. Yet these challenges have led to remarkable adaptations, from chemical defenses to collaborative relationships with protective wasp species. Their activities also enhance soil fertility and promote plant diversity, underscoring their role as key ecological players. By understanding Atta laevigata and their complex relationships, we gain insights into biodiversity and the interconnectedness of life, further proving the profound impact these tiny creatures have on our planet's health. Through the lens of Atta laevigata, we glimpse the marvels of evolution and the intricacies of ecological engineering. These ants remind us that sometimes the smallest beings teach us the biggest lessons about sustainability, cooperation, and the wonders of life on Earth. Imagine a civilization so advanced in agriculture and architecture that it rivals human ingenuity, yet its architects are merely a fraction of an inch in size. In the lush rainforests of South America, the Atta laevigata, commonly known as the leafcutter ant, commands a realm where intricate societies thrive beneath our feet. These tiny creatures are not just survivors, they are conquerors, engineers, and farmers of the forest, shaping their world in ways that baffle the human mind.